Hey guys, are you looking for advertising that converts? My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. Let me go ahead and hop onto my computer and share with you a little bit of my strategy that I feel that this advertising definitely is a possibility that can convert for you. There are some conditions, but I'm going to share with you if it makes sense or not for you. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And before I jump in and talk about specifically my Legion Secret, which is the traffic source, I'm not, hiding anything right here. It is the advertising source, which I think can convert for anybody if you give it. There are certain conditions, but if you do give it time. Guys, I created this channel because I want to bring you awareness. I want to bring you knowledge. I want to bring you insight on things that I am actually doing on a daily basis with my affiliate marketing journey. Now, I've been doing this for some time, so take it as a training, take it as awareness, take it as a due diligence, however you want to see it, and then go out there and apply the knowledge that you're getting. I don't want to hide anything on this channel. I want to give it to you guys completely for free. And obviously, if you want to learn more about the strategy that I'm going to go into today, you can find the link in the description of this video, and that's the way you can give back to me as well. Guys, thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to be talking about specifically an advertising source that I use. Now, you see, guys, I do have a full-time job. This is a side hustle for me. So I looked at an advertising source that made sense for myself. I am an affiliate marketer in the wealth niche. What does that actually mean? That simply means that I promote educational products, but I also promote tools, services, offers, and I'm here to help within the wealth niche, which is make money online, business opportunities, software tools, affiliate marketing, and other side hustles out there, skills. I primarily focus on skill sets that help you and help myself in getting better. For example, the two skill sets that I focus on is advertising and copywriting. These are the two things that go hand in hand with each other. So I'm pretty proud to be, learning them and also sharing this information and knowledge. So in doing so, I took my Legion Secret as my main traffic source to have this formula in place. And this formula is a very simple formula, guys. Anybody can do it. Really, anybody can do it. But there are some conditions, and the conditions are this simple. If you're in My Legion Secret, remember a few things. First and foremost, the leads that you're getting from My Legion Secret are business opportunity leads. But wait a second, guys. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's just give you an idea. What is My Legion Secret? My Legion Secret is a product that provides you 100 to 200 leads every single day. Okay, every single day. And it doesn't guarantee you any sales. It is just going to provide you email leads. So it's going to give you a list basically of 100 leads every single day. And that way it's solving a problem of going out and finding those leads. This way you can email once every 24 hours, and your job as a marketer is to apply those skill sets and get those conversions, because if you're not applying those skill sets and getting those conversions, then you're not making sales. So that's the whole purpose behind it. Now, the thing that is, what kind of leads are you getting with My Legion Secret? You're getting business opportunity or make money online, wealth, basically wealth niche leads. So there are people that are looking for kind of opportunities within this space of business opportunities, within the space of internet marketing, and so on and so forth. But they are co-registration leads. That means they have decided to get information from other people, but they've signed up to one person's list. Why am I saying all of this? Because if you take these take these conditions into consideration, you will realize that when you're applying the marketing skills, which is copywriting, to get those conversions, you have to take into consideration all of these elements right here. So this traffic can convert for anyone, but you have to put in the work for it to convert for yourself. Just like you would need to put in the work for Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever it is, you need to spend the money, get the data, and then have the conversions done. That's just how paid advertising works. The same you would do for free advertising. You need to put out the content, volume, understand what your audience wants, and then change and then convert and then basically optimize the whole process, right? But you need to put out. The thing is that a lot of people don't put out the volume to be able to get that data and make that change. Which means in this scenario is email, email, email for at least, in my opinion, 6 months to a year. Why am I saying that? It's because you're going to be testing new things within those 6 months to a year. You're going to try one strategy, one product, get better at your emails, create that relationship. Remember, you're creating that relationship with the audience that you have, these 100 to 200 leads that are getting added every single day. So in the entire year is quite a lot at the end of the day. I'm going to stop there for a second, guys. So that is my Legion secrets for you, okay, as a product or service. Now, if we get into the strategy, why am I saying this can be applicable for anybody is because I use it in step one. Now, there are a few things that I do, and I will do a summary of all the steps in if you wait till the end of the video. Let's say that you're using My Legion Secrets. Should you send it to an opt-in page, which is basically a way to collect your email address, or should you send it to a blog? Should you send it to a video? Should you send it to an offer? What would you do? My personal suggestion is what you can see on screen right now. You are basically getting these 100 leads every day. So it's basically an email list that that these leads are being opted into, and you get access to them as well. So you don't want them to opt in into another list unless there's a real purpose behind it. So the way I looked at it and the way I'm getting the most conversions is the fact that I don't want these email leads on my list, because I wouldn't think it's fair for the customer to have beyond 10,000 lists. Yeah, it's their choice. Yes, it's their choice. I wouldn't put them through that again and get them onto my list, and then it just makes the whole, experience not really great. So the purpose behind my this promotion strategy is basically sending them to the offer to get their direct. When they're searching for something, let them get the solution there. And that's what we're talking about. So the offers that we have in creating that relationship with the email list, standing out, making sure that we get the information out to them and so on and so forth, and build that relationship, but send it to an offer directly. This is personally how I have been functioning the whole of 2023, whole of 2024 as well. This is how I'm primarily work. Sending it to an offer does help generate a sale quicker, because obviously I'm not tracking, let's say, that person, because I'm sending it to an affiliate website, right? But at the same time, I am creating more income for myself in terms of cash. And this is where I leverage the cash to be able to build a high quality list and buy more advertising on the back end. So for example, let's say you get with My Legion Secrets 100, 200, 300, you make $500 a month with My Legion Secrets. Let me just put it that way. Okay. That 500 can be now used for a Google ad on Google Ads, basically, to bring high quality traffic to your landing page and build your list and your backend and so on and so forth. And that can work for you continuously. And if this is working, in a manner that's predictable, then obviously you can add that to your budget and you're getting high quality leads. For it to be predictable, you have to learn the skill set. So let's summarize everything, and then you can make a decision whether this advertising source is good for you or not. Again, I'm not really here to promote it. I just want to give you guys the understanding, especially the people who are already in My Legion Secrets. So this video is not for me to get new people. It's for people who already are in there, and also the awareness for other people who are doing their due diligence. So if you're in My Legion Secret, just remember that they are co-registration leads in the wealth niche. Should you send them to an offer, or should you send them to a landing page? That's really up to you. However, my recommendation would be to send them to an offer, and your offer is a solution. But the focus is not the offer there. The focus is the email content, the copywriting, the actual marketing that is going to get you the result, nothing else. Not My Legion Secret leads are going to get you results. Nobody can get you those results except yourself. The other thing that within this whole structure is you need time to create that relationship. Think about all your friendships, think about all your relationships in your life, guys. It takes years to create that relationship. So give it at least 1 year so that that bond is created, and then whenever you send out an email, you do get results. That's what's been working for me specifically. Okay. And then last but not the least is leverage that strategy to be able to build. This whole process, guys, is called a funded proposal. But if I tell you my perspective on My Legion Secret, just using the strategy, and I'm going to show you, because I think it's worth it to show you how much My Legion Secret has got for me. But guys, even if I share with you, I do want to mention these results are not typical. These are my results. I cannot guarantee you these results. I cannot guarantee you that you will make a single dollar, because it is not you have to put in the work. Simply put, you have to put in the work. You have to apply the knowledge that you're getting, But at the end of the day, these are still my results only. Now I'm going to go to all time, and we will just put tracking code as MLGS right here, and we will search. And you can see all time it's got me over $4,000.72, as you guys can see. All of these, okay, all of these in sales, almost 7,000 just, and it continues to get me sales. Why does it continue to get me sales? Because it's just a strategy that's working, because you can see yourself how amazing it is. But these results didn't come overnight. It took time. I applied, and now I get in more frequently. Okay, so give yourself not 1 month, not 2 months, not 3 months, but give yourself a year of using mileage and secrets before you actually make a decision whether you want to change or not. Or sometimes you might even need more than a year. There are many marketers out there on these channels that you're doing your due diligence, and I'm one of them who makes every single week a video. You can see my entire playlist. You can see, the results that I have for the previous months and so on and so forth. Overall, would I consider it as advertising that works? Yes. For anyone, that's a question that I would leave up to you guys to make a decision if it's for you or not. But does it advertising that converts? Definitely. But I have to put in the work just like I would need to do it for any kind of advertising for that matter. Hope you guys got an idea of what it really means to be an affiliate marketer from this channel. And if you want this kind of training, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment below. And I am happy to see you guys here. It's a summertime, so I hope everybody's enjoying themselves. And I will still come to you on Wednesday and Friday for other videos. So make sure you are subscribed so that you get access to those videos as well. Have a great day. Keep aiming the way for dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.